idea is based on using the dewdrops that are however considered as non-useful but are actually feasible. Increasing of water level will directly result in the increment of electricity generation, which is directly linked with the theme of this project, that is energy conservation. Now let me explain the working of this prototype. In this prototype, we have used Arduino, breadboard, LDR and servo motor for the directional opening and closing of this funnel. Let me show you how. In the daytime, this greenhouse will be closed so that the maximum evaporation could occur, but at night it will get open so that the temperature could decrease for the maximum formation of the dewdrops. This multifunctional archetype consisting of greenhouse and drip irrigation system is joined with a network of tubes or pipes. The water stored in this container is then transferred to this tank. From here, it is filtered in these 3 filters. After the sand and silt is separated from the water, it goes into this membrane where it is fully purified and is ready for use. Now coming to another pertinent part, that is, in India, agriculture sector employs half of the country's population and we are greatly dependent on farmers to provide us with the means of sustenance. That means the major targeted consumer section consists of the farmers, schools, religious places, small and large villages and every other section of the society. Now coming to the cost of this prototype, the cost of this setup can vary as per the requirement. We can just start with the economy model to the upgraded versions where the cost of the product will vary as per the nature and type of the material or funnel used, which will help in increasing the dewdrops due to temperature variations. In high humidity areas, this structure can produce sufficient amount of water per day. It is also very effective in low to medium humidity level. So that's it. We hope that our model is going to be a success economically and will also benefit major section of consumers. We're looking forward to present our project in the next round with more details. Thank you very much.